guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana. If you're new here, karibu sana. Welcome to Naureiness. If you're not, thank you so much for coming back again. Today I am doing this hairstyle by me. By me, really. Yes, by me. I used one pack. I bought one pack of Temptation by Angels. Is this how girls like? I don't like this thing, but okay, it's making me pop, but anyway, yes. So I used it just I think four pieces, only 4 pieces, and I am left with around 5. So this is it's not permanent, it's temporary. However, I can do a video on the permanent one, but now this is one. Ukienda kulala unatoa. Yeah, so fake it till you make it. You don't have to invest in expensive bands, and you can use this one to make money. You can make this and sell to your friends. So let's get straight into the video. I'll lay my hair first before we go on, so that this is rose water. You may or may not use gel. I'm not gonna use any gel because I really want it to look natural and kinky. So, ooh, this is good, and I didn't even stretch using it. Ooh, okay, so I'm gonna use 3. So the tension method dictates that if you can bend, turn to the side, and it's still fine, then it means it's not too tight. So that one is okay. So the braid I'll be using is this one, Temptation. Temptation in the color 2. There are 7 pieces, so I'm just going to need like 1. It's very, very huge. When you try to fluff it up, it's how it's gonna come. Yeah. So I think it like matches my hair. I'm gonna take my gel, any gel you have, and what I gotta do. So we can take this, the pair of the scissors. I want it to be, it's gonna be like that, so put it this way. Cut whatever length you want. I want mine really short because my hair is short, so I don't want it to be too obvious. So what you do next is you kind of like fluff it again. Ooh, looks really pretty, doesn't it? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is take this and take my crochet pin, and this is what I'm gonna do. I don't know where to put it. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take hair like that, and then like that, and then tight like that. And let's do it another time. Here it is. So take inserted here, like that, and that, and close the hook pull and pull this like that. So if you didn't get it, you can replay it or play it in slow motion so that you see. So I'm gonna fill all this part first, and I'm gonna be back. So you can make yours as full as you want to. I've chosen not to make mine very full because I want it to look very natural. And most of the time, natural hair doesn't really get, those curls, especially if you have hair like mine, which is 4C. So I'm gonna leave mine at here, and then I'll show you what we do next. Okay, so here is the thingy. See, it looks very pretty, like very natural. So I want to see how it's gonna fit. I want it to be like a fro hook. So nah, it's not yet enough. I wanted it to be like, whew. So it means we'll still have to remove and fill it again. So yeah, let's fill it again. This is gonna be the front part. So we're done. This is the front part. This is the front part, and this is the back part. So yeah, this is how it still looks. So what we're gonna do, gonna remove it from here, and yeah, there we have it. So you have two options to either cut this part or just use it together. I do not find any problem just wearing it, but let's see. So this is the back. So I think I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut the excess. I am hoping it won't go well. So then, yeah, I'm just gonna cut this part. So this part, I'm gonna cut like that, so that we are left with this. Yeah, we're just left with this. Now, to make sure it doesn't unravel, I'm just gonna pull it like that. And so this is what we have in here. This is the inside, really. Yeah, like there. So I want mine to be. So what you'll need next is bobby pins. I'm gonna show you how to install them. So I want it to be like that. Yeah, something like that. So what I'm gonna do, bobby pins, I'm gonna secure the back, like really secure. The good thing about this one is that you can always place it however you want, wherever you want. So I don't know, I kind of feel like mine is really big. Yeah, I really feel it's like really big. So to make sure it comes down, I'm gonna secure it again with more bobby pins. By the way, such a bobby pin, I don't know if you can see it, is bad really compared to this one, especially if the metallic, the coating is out. Don't use it. I don't know, I feel it's too much, so I'm gonna turn it around. I like this one better. Looks very natural. So the part that has less should be in front. Yeah, like the way this one is quite less. Question, is it gonna fall? No, it's not. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You can leave me a comment, and if you try this hairstyle, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Yeah, so bye for now, and make sure you subscribe, by the way. Make sure you have subscribed.